see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up.
Hey my love, it's your girl, lovely angel lady. L to the A to the L. Thank you so much for tuning into the channel today, love. So today I am bringing you yet another curly chica right here, okay? So yeah, we're doing the all natural, and she also is human hair. But if you want to get all the juicy deets, sit right there. Don't you go nowhere. Sit right there in your seats. Before we move forward, I would love to give you the opportunity to make it official and join the LAL fam. It costs you nothing, okay? Nothing. Nada. Nothing. So go ahead, press that subscribe button. Join the LAL fam, and while you're at it, tap the alert bell so you will not miss out on any of my uploads, all the goodness that we have up over this way. Okay, my love, so let's talk about sis. Okay, so it's 100% unprocessed human hair. She is in the purple label collection, and she is a full wig. This is not a lace front, so she's a full wig, but she's human hair. 100% unprocessed human hair. So you can bleach, dye, and customize this bad girl. Yeah, not bad, huh? I'd say so. So the color that I have is natural brown. Let me just get up close so y'all can see. But this is the natural brown. Okay. And let's see what else I could tell you about this chick here. Yeah, she is very soft and very easy to style. I did use my Bobo's, it's Bobo's Remy leave-in conditioner. It's what I apply to my wigs. You can use this one right here for human or synthetic hair, but it really, you know, I just like how it kind of conditions it and makes the hair, it just brings it to life. And then I also put some of this, this is by Bonner Brothers, the foam. It's wrapping lotion foam. So I put some of that in there as well. And I really love putting that on curly and wavy units. But yeah, so this chica, her name is Outre Jolene. Round of applause. Yay! So Outre Jolene, I'm about to show you what Jolene looks like on the model. So this is what Jolene is looking like on the model. And on your girl right here, LAL. I think she's cute, y'all. I did push her back, so I'm gonna tell you a little bit about that. But yeah, so her length, this is pretty much what you get here. So she's a, you know, nice natural length, you know, and you can rock her. She definitely is a natural looking style. But she comes in other colors. She comes in natural color, regular brown, which is a 20V, chestnut brown, which is a 30V, and 40V, which is honey golden brown. So those are the different colors. And it tells you like wash instructions and all that. But y'all, I just realized something. This company, this My Tresses wig is by Outre. I'm late to the party. Y'all, where I been? Where your girl LAL been? Huh? So, yeah. Basically, it's a human hair wig, but it's My Tresses Purple Label Full Wig by Outre. I don't know if, you know, this is just another one of their lines or what, but Outre all day. Yeah. Y'all, I've been rocking Outre wigs for a long time, so to see that they're behind this, I'm like, I wonder she's so cute, okay? And human hair and bouncy curls. Look at the density, like she's super full, as you can see, cap size wise. My big-headed chicas, you gonna be okay. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Y'all will be okay because all of this right here, that's extra cap, okay? I did not put on a wig grip or anything, but I definitely could with her. She is secure because she does have the little combs here, and then she does have ear tabs. I love the way the ear tabs, like when you just press them in, they secure her down really well to where she fits around there like a glove. You know, you have the security. There's also a comb in the back, so there's a total of 3 combs plus adjustable straps. But I think she's perfect for fall. I've been bringing y'all like some beautiful curly naturalista looking units. Very beautiful wigs. But sis right here, she's gorgeous. She's absolutely beautiful, y'all. But yeah, she's super cute. I love her curls. She's definitely a curly Sue. Ow. Curly Sue in the building. Y'all, this y'all see me tugging and pulling on this shirt. This top I got from Shein, and you see how the little straps fall. It's a little big on me. Your girl has been losing weight. I think I'm going to go ahead and after I'm finished filming this, I'm going to talk about the weight loss journey. Y'all, I cannot talk for nothing today. But because I've been wanting to share that. I actually wanted to share it with y'all last week. But if you've been following me on social media, you've been in my stories, you know that I started a weight loss journey because thickness over chia needs to, you know, tone up a little bit. And, you know, just tone up some of the fluffiness because I do love being curvy. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Your girl is definitely fluffy. But yeah, y'all, she's really cute. Just showing y'all up close. She is a full cap, so no parting or anything necessary. I did not want to like fluff her out to where she's frizzy. To me, looking at the model, she's not that type of way, but you can always rock her the way you want. I feel like she would last longer if I don't do that, like brush the curls out and all that stuff and make her look like super frizzy because of how the curls, you know, I think the curls are made to kind of be defined, but she is human. So over time, I think, you know, fluffing her out every time I put her on, I think she's gonna look really, really nice. So that's pretty much all I have to say about her. I want y'all to, I don't know who is blowing my phone up, y'all, but but I want to show y'all how I styled her real quick. So y'all enjoy the rest of the video.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. Yeah. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need.
and I love you. Okay, I love y'all so much. Be positive, do something good for somebody today. Enjoy the rest of the vid. I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Make sure you tune in to find out about my weight loss journey. Maybe you will consider joining me. But your girl LAL loves you, and I'm gonna catch you in a few days, y'all. All right, later, bye.
What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder.